Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off your mobile data or your cellular data on your iPhone or iOS device as soon as you enter a location. It could be your home, it could be your work, or anywhere that you choose. Okay, so first off you're going to go to the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. For me it's in the home page right here, it's in the bottom of the screen. Tap that and we're going to go to the middle page automation at the bottom. Click that, and if you don't have any automations set up, you'll see this blue button, Create Personal Automation. Go in there, and you want to go down to the fourth option. When I arrive at the gym, for example, the Arrive button, go in there, and then basically to create the automation, you want to select a location. And you go to the location section and press the button Choose. And this is where you're going to actually enter the location for where you want to turn off your mobile data or cellular data. For me, I'm going to type in a random location, 147. This one right here looks good. Click done on that. So that's the location. As soon as we enter this location, we're now going to select what happens. So go next, and this is the action section. So you basically want to go to select a new action in here, the blue plus icon. You can select that and start typing in mobile data, or type in cellular and it'll come up. Select set, turn mobile data, and what we want to do is click off there, go to the next icon. So basically when you arrive at this location, it will turn the mobile data off, and you can start using Wi-Fi in that location and potentially even save yourself some battery life as well, and obviously save your mobile data usage or your cellular data usage. Okay, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. My name's Andrew. If you've liked this video, please consider subscribing.